Hello Sagittarius, I am Akansha Kumar from Antanana Tarot Reading, and I'll be presenting your mid-month oracle card reading for the month of June 2016. So what new I am having for you today is I'll be using two decks for your reading. The first one is Healing with the Angels deck and the other one is the Romance Angels deck. So I'll be answering to all your questions, whatever is bothering you right now, whatever worries you are having. I hope these cards help you to guide and protect you in the best possible way. So, before starting with the reading, I would like you all to close your eyes, think about your question, and by the time I'll be shuffling my cards, I'll be energizing them and I'll be asking the supreme power to come and bless my cards so that I can give you the correct predictions, so that I can give you the readings which can help you in some or the other way. So, you can right now think about your question till the time I'll shuffle my cards and spread it out. So this is the card which I have pulled for you right now, and this is the dreams card. Now what dreams card indicate is you are getting some kind of messages, you are getting some kind of answers and guidance which are actually being shown or projected to you in your dreams. So what you need to do right now is keep a diary with you, and whenever you wake up, even if you remember a bit of your dream, do write it in your diary so that it can give you some kind of guidance and it can help you in some or the other way, because these dreams are actually some kind of signs and some kind of intuition, some kind of vision for your future. So you need to concentrate on your dreams, because it happens that whenever we wake up we forget our dreams, but a bit of it is actually what we remember. Even that bit can help you a lot. So right now make a diary for yourself and keep the records. At least do it for this particular month, and I am sure that you are going to get a great answers from God, and in any ways he is there with you, he is going to protect you. But some kind of vision, some kind of fortune telling, some kind of forecasting is required right now, and that is actually provided to you in the form of dreams. So you need to concentrate and think what you have dreamt last night, and ultimately you will be getting the answers to your questions. Now I'll be taking the card from the next deck, and it actually concerns about the relationship part, the love issues, or anything that cards want to tell you about you, your partner, your love life. So let's see what these cards have for you. So here is the card for you. This is the reconciliation card. Someone from your past is returning to your life. So this could actually mean is maybe you have lost your partner somewhere, maybe the relationship didn't work out at that time, maybe you had some misunderstandings which were not sorted. So somebody from your past is coming in your way and is going to change your life in some way, I would say. So you need to be aware of it, you need to be mentally prepared for that. So this is what this card wants to tell you, that somebody is going to come back in your life, and going, the consequences could be anything, it could be good or bad, but ultimately it depends upon the situation where the person left you. So that you need to consider that whether to accept the person again or not, or whether you are happy being single or being in love with somebody else, that is, you have moved on. So it is entirely your decision, and if you are facing any problem while taking that decision, then I would say that as per your previous card, you can get visions, you can get the answers on whether to accept the person back into your life or not. So do consider your dreams. So in any ways, I would like to summarize by saying that yes, you have to keep everything in place. You need to keep the records of your dreams, and also you need to think that what action you need to take while this someone from your past comes back into your life. So it is entirely up to your hands, and in any ways, God is there, angels are there, and we are all blessed people. So God is going to help us in every manner and in every way in the path of our life. So this is all for your mid-month reading. I'll be coming up next month with again the mid-month reading for July 2016. Till then, you can follow me, which is very easy. The links are provided below. You can follow me on Facebook, Tumblr, wherever you wish. You can also visit my online store. You can find a great variety of products available there. You can choose any of the product out of them, and you can also gift a tarot or oracle card reading to your loved ones, and even you can gift it to yourself also. So do visit my online store and help me in any way you would like to help me by giving me the reviews, and whether you like this video or not, whether this video helped you in any way or not. So I'll be waiting for your reviews. Till then, have a great time. Enjoy your life. Take care. Bye bye.